All right. Just a moment, and then let me just share this so that others can join us, and we'll start immediately. Right? We'll start immediately. I'm going to have a very short session tonight, and it is on how we can shoot and edit videos faster. How to shoot and edit videos faster. And all right, I think I'm good to go now. I think I'm good to go. Um, all right. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Edor and the Loveth. How you doing, Loveth? All right. Okay. Let me just see if I can just put up the topic quickly. Um, all right. So, oh, great. Yeah, great. Okay. Let me see if I can just. Okay, so the goal for this evening is very simple. I want to see how I can help us to edit faster, because I discovered that making videos are faster and easier for me, right? And I want to see how you'll be able to achieve the same thing, right? And what we will be doing is to go through the process of what we discussed, starting from last week's what's it called, webinar group coaching we did. I don't know how good this network is, but it seems I'm lagging. Seems I'm lagging. Um, so you remember that from last webinar group coaching we did, we said yes, the quality is poor. I don't know. I don't know why. The network is really terrible here. So just bear with me. Just bear with me. Um, just bear with me. Let me see. Let me just do something quickly. Um, Let me just do something quickly. All right. Let me just do something quickly. Hello, Peculiar Jewel Properties. My network is poor, and I'm supposed to. All right. So as I was saying, in our last meeting, we looked at how you can use AI to be able to get video assets quickly, and I want to see how we'll be able to shoot. So from the video ideas last month, we looked at how to use AI to get your video assets, from your video ideas to the video script to even the video titles to the video description. We checked at everything, right? And so I want to see how we can move it further, right? Having gotten your video ideas, because again, you remember I gave us a prompt where you can use it to get your video ideas, say YouTube video ideas, right? We said if you use AI, it will give you all the video ideas you need, right? So uh, I gave us this prompt is in the course area where you'll be able to get video ideas for your YouTube. And we even went ahead to say, apart from that, we even gave ourselves prompts, AI prompts that will help you to even get the video script for your video, right? Video script for your video. And I told us that what we will be doing is, when you want to shoot a YouTube video, you can use AI to give you the script for your video, but don't stop at that. What you do is you put your script in front of you. If you have a teleprompter, you can use it. If not, just put your script in front of you. Maybe use another phone, or if you have a laptop, just put the script in front of you. Turn on your camera, right? Turn on your camera and leave your camera running, video recording, so that all the mistakes will be edited out during editing. The goal of this session we are having is how to make videos faster. So you have used AI to get your video ideas. You have also used AI to get your video scripts. And now to be able to shoot it fast. You know, you can be making mistakes and be starting your videos and stopping your videos. Don't do that. Don't start and stop the recording. Just put on your camera, and then with your script in front of you, you look at your script, you look at what is AI is giving to you, and then you say it, right? So maybe we should just try out something very, very brief, right? Let me see. Let me just try out something quickly. So let me see if I can just pull up something so that I'll just practically show you. Then I'm hoping we can go to CapCut. Let me show you how I do my editing fast on CapCut. Like the way videos are very easy for me to make these days with the help of AI. It's amazing, right? It's so amazing. Let me just pick up a script. I have something. Let me just pick up a script. Let me just pick up a script. Okay. So if for example, this is the script we have, maybe I want to make a video to say, why does my WhatsApp screen sharing keep stopping? Right? I'm just assuming this is the YouTube video I want to make. Why my YouTube, why my WhatsApp screen, when I want to share my WhatsApp screen, is keep sharing. Assuming this is my script in front of me, all I need to do is I will just put my video in front of me, right? My phone. Let me just quickly do this. Let me put myself by the side. No. Like this. All right. So all I will do is I'll put my phone on my tripod and keep it in front of me. This is how to make videos fast. Instead of you to start racking your brain, just use AI to write the script in front of you and keep it. Except if you are doing maybe vlogs, or maybe you are doing a lifestyle stuff, or maybe you are a music channel or prayer channel or something. But for the regular YouTube video, this will suffice, right? All you need to do is put it in front of you, put your phone and press record. As it's recording, just make sure that when you are looking at your script, keep quiet. Why? I will tell you why when we come to editing fast. So this is it. Assuming my phone is in front of me, and I'll start. In this video today, we're going to look at what to do if your WhatsApp screen sharing keeps stopping, right? So now, before I move on, just make sure that when you are looking at your screen, keep quiet. AI now will now help us to make sure that we edit this thing out fast. So now I'll look at my screen. Weak internet connection. If the network drops, so I'll keep quiet. I'm reading now. My camera is still running. My camera is still running. Don't leave it running. Okay, the first point is weak internet connection. If your internet connection is weak, it will affect your screen sharing when you're trying to share your WhatsApp screen. Instead of using your mobile data, try to use Wi-Fi. And if you are using Wi-Fi, or you even have to use the cable to connect your router to your device, do so that the internet will be strong. The second point is low storage device. So if your device has poor storage, it will also affect you when you are trying to share your WhatsApp screen or trying to share your screen. When your storage is low, it will affect you when you are trying to share your screen through WhatsApp. So if you have too many apps running, this can affect your performance and it will affect your screen. So basically, can you see what I'm doing? When I'm looking at my script, I'll keep quiet. I'll look at my script, memorize it, and then try to, because again, if you look at AI directly, you start sounding like AI. So you look at your script, memorize 1 or 2 lines, look at your camera and talk. Then you keep quiet. This place that is keeping quiet, automatically we're going to use AI in CapCut to cut it off. So you just discover that CapCut now will just leave only the place where you are talking to your camera. So you see, the editing will be fast. Cutting mistakes will be fast. I hope you get it. If you got this, just type "I got it." I need 5 persons to say "I got it" so that I can move on. If not, I will repeat it again, because this is a very crucial step. Type "I got it." If you got it, type "I got it" in the screen, in the comment section before I move on. I need 5 persons to acknowledge that while I drink my kunu. I need 5 persons to acknowledge this while I move on. 3 persons. I need 2 more persons to be sure you got it. I need 2 more persons. Great. 4 persons. I need 1 more person. 1 more person. 1 more person. All right, we need 5. I got in 5 persons. So, but I'll say it one more time. So, the if you want to be making video fast, please learn to use AI to guide you. You see the way I wrote it on the script on the screen? I didn't do word for word scripting. I asked AI to give me outline so that me now I will now develop those important points. But this is the trick. Put on your camera on your phone, put on your phone to be running. Press play, let it be running. But don't be whispering. Keep quiet. Look at your screen quietly. Check your script quietly. Memorize 1 or 2 lines quietly. Then look at your screen directly. Look at that, camera button on your screen, and then say it. And then say it. Then when you want to check the second line, do so. This is very important. How about people who use InShot to edit? I don't know if InShot does automatic delete for now. I don't know about that. And this will even work better if you are on the paid plan of CapCut. If you're on the paid plan of CapCut, I will even advise you to use your laptop. If you pay for CapCut, you can also use that login details to log in for CapCut on your laptop. This will make it very easy, and I'm going to show you people now. I am having difficulty sharing my screen, but I hope it works tonight. Right? This is very, very important because again, I want it to be very easy for you to make videos very, very fast. I shot a full YouTube video in just 3 hours. I was done with shooting, editing, and design everything in just 3 hours. And you know how my videos are. Full YouTube video of about 8 minutes, right? Scripting everything in just 3 hours. So imagine your own videos that are simpler, right? You'll be able to get it done quickly. Let me see if I can share my screen. So if this will work very well, and I assume by now everybody should know how to get CapCut, paid CapCut, right? Or because I don't know if InShot does it, but if you have paid CapCut on your if you have paid CapCut on your phone, just go and go to your laptop. It's better on laptop. You can do it on your smartphone, but it's better on laptop, right? It's better on laptop. If you have, just download CapCut. It's also free. When you now use your login details, log in CapCut on your laptop. And when you do that, let me see if this will work. I'm just praying to God that it works, man. I'll be so grateful. Let me see if it works. Let me see if it works. Let me see if it works. InShot does. Okay, great. So InShot does, but I don't think InShot has laptop version, but it's the same process. It will be very easy for you to share, to edit your videos, right? Very, very easy. Oh, praise God, it worked, right? It worked. So when you have come on, this is what's it called? This is CapCut on laptop. This is CapCut on laptop, so you can see my plenty videos. All you need to do is just simply click on new project and import that your video. You remember the video now will contain silence speaking, silence when you are looking at your script, speaking when you are looking at the camera. Even when you are looking at the camera, you made mistake, just repeat yourself again. No problem. Editing will be far, 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 far easier, right? So now that we have it, you just simply come in here and just click to bring in your raw file, right? So let me just bring in this one now. Let me just bring in this one, right? So let's assume this is your raw file. You just simply drag it. Just simply drag it to the timeline. So now that you have dragged it to the timeline, if you increase the size here, then this is one thing you will notice. If I come into this place, this small icon here, let me just remove, okay. Just this small icon here, it will say audio waveform size and just click 100%. So you can see now that it contains silence speaking, silence speaking, silence speaking, right? Silence speaking. So all you need to do now is click on it, and then there is a place here that says transcript. Transcript. Just click on it and it will analyze it, all the silent places, those places where you were looking at your script, it will automatically remove it for you. And all you'll be left with is where you are speaking, where you are looking at your camera and then saying your already memorized script or outline that you got from AI, right? So it will go through the process. And then I'm sure you'll be able to do this thing on your phone. I've not tried it before, but somebody can try it. And when you are done, you can see it has cut out all those places where they were silent, and you just simply click on delete. You can see that it has removed everything, and all that I'm left with is where I am speaking, those places I'm speaking. And all you need to do is just simply start listening. You see? So you just listen to where you, and then just simply cut and delete. Now listen to this thing. There are two very fast way to cut and delete here. So if I expand it like this, you see where there's space here. When there's space here, just come in here and you simply there's what we call keyboard shortcut. Keyboard shortcut. But again, just forget about that. You can just simply drag it to here, right? When you drag it to where it is there, you can just simply click on B. My own is B, right? My shortcut, right? And then drag it to the end here, right? And then there is this place here. You see it, delete left, delete right. So I want to delete this left place and just simply click on delete left. Can you see it is off? Then I'll just come in here, put my cursor here, and the next one is what? Delete right. I'll just click on delete right or W, depending on the shortcut. So you just go on keeping and removing all the places you don't like. Maybe if I don't like here, I'll just come in here, click on here, and I'll just say delete left. Then you just be listening. You made a mistake here, just click on here, you just cut it. Then you want to delete here, you can just come in here and say delete left. So you can just discover that over 80% of your work is just done. Then you just go through it sharp. Before you know, you are done going through all of your mistakes and you have a clean video. And then you simply come in here, you go to, it works on phone. Beautiful, it works on phone. So just simply go in there and ask it to remove the silences, right? Ask it to remove the silences and you'll be good to go. For me, I've only done it on laptop because laptop is very easy for me. For me, I just go in, I just press W, I'll just go, I press Y, the WY. Before you know, in few minutes, you are done, clean video. And that is not all. You remember Dr. Malik says all your videos should have at least text. If you are doing subtitle, do subtitle. If you are doing annotation, doing annotation. I prefer both. And this is how you do it. When you have gone through your video, removing all the mistakes, just simply come to text, right? When you come to text, just go to auto caption. Simple. And then you just click on generate. It will go through the entire video and just generate. For most of you, after generating the auto caption, you can just produce your video, download your video, and you're good to go. Can you see how very fast this process is? Very, very fast. First, get your script, look at your script, record your video, import it, and CapCut will automatically remove all the silent places for you. When CapCut does that, removing all the silent places for you, you can just go through and fine-tune it, make sure everything is closely knitted together, all the pauses that CapCut missed, do that. Then places where you repeat yourself twice, remove the wrong ones, and then you're good to go. Just simply come do auto caption, and with auto caption it will automatically caption your video for you, and all you need to do is just simply click on it, and then you can use any of the templates that you want or any of the animation that you want, and you'll be good to go. Maybe let me just try this one now. Okay, so you can see with this now, right, this looks ugly, right? And for me, I don't usually use this, but basically one thing you can do is you can go to caption, animation. When you go to animation, go to caption, and then you can simply select one of these simple ones here. For me, I like karaoke pop, and then there is this one I love so much. What's the name again? Short, look at it, this one. Short what now? Short sentence scaling. Short sentence scaling. I love short sentence scaling. Look at it. Can you see how it looks on my screen? Let me expand it for you to see. Can you see how it looks on my screen? Can you see how it looks on my screen? Beautiful. I'm not seeing you, coach. My screen is blind. It's from you. I don't know. Can you see how it looks beautiful? Short sentence scaling. I love that. SSS. I love that subtitle method very well. Is it only you that can't see my screen? So this is very, very powerful. And when you're done, just simply click on it and export your video in 1080p. Boom! Very good. And then next, you are ready for your next video. Please, I want to stop here and take questions. Because I feel that this is one of the best things that have happened to me. I remember then that you have to, when you want to edit, you go step by step, and all those stuff. But this makes it very easy. I will stop here and take questions. I will stop here and take questions. Are there any questions? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? What is no? What is no? What software is this? CapCut. CapCut. The CapCut Crystal's property. The CapCut on phone, it also has a desktop version. But all I did now, you can still do it on your phone, right? You say, I'm just seeing my refresh. No. You watch the replay. Can we use this at the site? Yes, you can use this on your site, right? Can you use this at the site? Which site? What site are you talking about? Very clear and interesting. Lovely. I'm happy that it's clear and interesting. If you didn't get it, watch the replay. Very clear and interesting. Beautiful. So this is the way you'll be able to shoot. Then you can put your B-roll. If you want to put your B-roll, you can put, because again, there are certain videos you make. You need to show what you are saying. Maybe you are a real estate agent or something. You need to show inspection site. Of course, now, all you need to do is that when you are shooting on inspection, anytime you are looking at your script, if you are using script, just keep quiet. Anytime you are not talking, just keep quiet, so that when you now import it, But I know that outside might be quite noisy and all those stuff. But if it's not noisy and you're using a microphone, beautiful. When you are talking, talk. When you are not talking, don't talk rubbish. Just keep quiet. When you remember what you want to talk, then you talk so that that silence will be removed when you are editing with CapCut. And so your video editing will be faster. Is there any app for teleprompter apart from CapCut? Yes, there are several apps you can look for on your app store. You see teleprompter. Then teleprompter also comes like a device, like a laptop. You see teleprompter. It's quite expensive, but if you can get it, beautiful, right? So that you know that CapCut also has teleprompter. CapCut also has teleprompter, so you can copy your scripts from ChatGPT, put it in front of you, so you don't need to be doing like this and doing like this. So as it's moving, you can be talking. You can be talking. If you're and then all you need to do is just import it, and CapCut will remove all the mistakes, right? Right. So it's the same process. Just try to understand the principle, and you can apply it anywhere, anytime. Any other questions? Any other questions? I want this video to be short, sweet, and clean, because this is how I make videos fast, and I want everybody to be able to do that, the same thing. Any other questions? If there are no questions, then we'll have to call it a day. Just let me know if there are any questions. You can ask any questions involving video editing. And by the way, you remember what I've been telling you people about using AI to make videos, right? This is different. This one you are not, it's not a, YouTube is saying now that if you are using AI, if especially if you are using AI voice to make your videos, you're on your own. I've been saying it. They say, Dr. Malik, you don't want us to say other coaches are teaching it. Why are you always insisting that we show our face and use our voice in our videos? I know what I was saying. Other coaches that are teaching it now. Some of you have used all your money to buy all those AI software, do subscription. For some people, do subscription for 1 year. And now you to be saying any video you use AI, maybe you use robot voice, or you clone your voice, they will not monetize it. Right? So again, try as much as possible to make your video. Is there any AI video edit that cut out mistake and pauses automatically when you import your video? No, for now, none. Right? And again, it's not a big deal. Right? With few minutes, you are done cutting out the mistakes. This is the trick I use. If I am talking and I make a mistake, I make a mistake. If I am talking and I made a mistake, this is how I do it. So now when I'm editing, I'll just cut that places where I make mistakes, and then I'm good to go. It's very easy, right? So AI cannot detect your mistake and pause. AI can only detect your pauses, and that is what CapCut does. It can remove your pauses where you are not talking. It will remove it for you. And so all you have to do is now to remove mistake. So it has reduced your editing drastically. It has reduced it drastically. Any other questions? Any other questions? So please, even if you are using AI, you can use AI images, you can use AI video clips, but use your voice. I've been saying this thing for over 7 years now. I know YouTube, they don't like the fact that they like creators. So don't just come to YouTube, everything is done by AI. No, it's not good, right? So even if you are using AI images and AI B-rolls, because now you can generate images using AI, you can use it. But please use your voice as voiceover, or else they will crank down on you. Any other questions? If there are no questions, I will have to call it a day, because I want to leave this video short and sweet. Short and sweet. Because I'm going to edit out some of the mistakes even for this video before I re-upload it back. How can CapCut remove pauses? That's what we demonstrated. So watch the replay. Watch the replay. Right? Watch the replay. That's the whole essence of what we have discussed today. You just import your video and you click. It will remove all the pauses automatically for you. So just watch the replay. Any other questions? Any other questions? If not, let me just stop it here. All right, so please try to watch the replay and see everything we have done, and also watch the replay of last month's webinar where I gave us all the AI scripts. AI will to help you for getting 100 video ideas. Then if you choose any of those video ideas, it will give you all the script. It will give you title, description, the text you put on your thumbnail, everything, right? Keywords, everything. AI will do it for you. All you need to do now is just put your camera, recite the script, make the script your own. Keep quiet when you are reading your script. Take it to CapCut. CapCut will remove the pauses. You now will just go ahead and remove all the mistakes. CapCut will do all the text on it for you. Then you put your B-rolls if they are. You can use AI to generate your B-rolls, export, and you're good to go. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Then you'll be preparing for next week's video. How do we access the replay? Just log into the course area, right? So assume you paid for the YouTube Profit Blueprint. That's why you're here. Log into the course area. When you log into the course area, you will see the video there. I'm going to put it there for you to have access to the replay. So by tomorrow, you should be able to get the replay. Or simply click on this link again. The link I sent to you, click on it and be good to go. All right, I'll stop here. God bless you. Thank you very much. Please make sure you take your YouTube serious. YouTube is so powerful. YouTube is very powerful. In this world now, everything is unstable. Instagram is unstable, TikTok is unstable, everything is unstable now. YouTube still stays gidigbam, right? Build your business around it, solid business, right? Christas, get back to YouTube, right? I was doing some research on YouTube and I discovered that you have left it for a while. Get back, right? So powerful. But one of your videos you did long ago on due diligence, I have to even use it. I use the content in it, put it on ChatGPT. ChatGPT gave me some beautiful prompts, beautiful videos you did before, right? So with that said, good night, rest well, and then God bless you.